Hi everyone! Today we're going to be covering how to bring up the Matter OTBR using RW612. Before starting this video, you will need a FRDM-RW612 and a USB-C cable, a computer, access point with IPv6 support, Android phone, JLink commander, the pre-built image, the terminal of your choice, and the chip tool application. First, connect the board as seen in the video. The Type-C goes into MCU link. Then open the latest version of JLink Commander, type connect, a question mark, then choose the RW612. Type S for SWD and hit enter when choosing speed. After doing this, type load file, space, and then drag and drop the SREC pre-built image. You'll know the image has finished loading when JLink prints OK. Start by opening the terminal of your choice and choosing the settings listed in the top right corner. Next, you will open the correct port. After this, you will reset the RW612 as seen in the video. Once the terminal is done printing, scroll up to find the hyperlink. You can double-click or copy-paste the link in your browser, and this will lead you to the QR code. Save this, you will need it later. Before proceeding, make sure your AP is set up and you have the Chip Tool app installed on your Android phone. You will now connect your Android phone to your AP's Wi-Fi network, then proceed to open the Chip Tool app. You will click on Pair New Device, choose Wi-Fi device, scan the QR code we had previously opened, and fill out the Wi-Fi credentials of the AP you are using. Once the board has been provisioned, give it the name of your choice and choose the device type. To test that the RW612 has established its Wi-Fi connection, we will turn the LED on by double-clicking the light icon on the Chip Tool app. We will now configure the OTBR by running the list of commands listed on the top right corner. Each command will print out done when completed, but OTCLI dataset will print information that you want to save to add other devices to the OTBR in the future. After doing this, you will type OTCLI state to check that the OTBR is a leader. Note that this might take a couple of minutes. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see devices being added to the OTBR, please watch the next video on nxp.com.